Hello， 欢迎来到我最爱的海边之一。这个海边叫做情人湾，它的位置是在台湾的东部。Google 地图连接的按键在下方。我是跟我爸一起来的，那是他，忙着拍冲浪的人。这是为什么没有人在游泳
？It's his dangerous steep beach.
And really, it's no danger there, isn't it?
Waves very at random. Never turn your back on the waves. Well, that kind of puts this dark edge on paradise.
If I had small children, I wouldn't be encouraging them into the sea.
Yeah.
No airbeds here.
Under the sea.
No inflatable ducks.
感受着每一个时间的当下，会影响到我们认为时间正在经过的速度。我故意的将影片放慢，为了表现我对这天的感觉。
I wonder what this beach would look like if sunlight came down like snow.
There is what is called real time. This is a kind of time that is measured by a clock. The time that we feel passing, the time in which we grow older. Then there is imaginary time. Of course, imaginary time is an idea that science fiction writers have used in their stories. But imaginary time is also a well-defined mathematical concept. It can be thought of as a direction of time that is at right angles to ordinary, real time, in a certain sense. The universe has a beginning in real time, at the Big Bang. And it may well have an end, if it collapses to a big crunch. But in imaginary time, it has no beginning or end. Rather, imaginary time is closed in on itself, like the surface of the Earth. The surface of the Earth doesn't have any beginning or end. I know, because I have been round the world, and I didn't fall off.